Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best photography lighting softbox is probably one of the most essential tools a photographer can have in their arsenal, transforming harsh, unflattering light into a soft, diffused glow that elevates any shot from amateur to professional. This versatile modifier is crucial for achieving studio-quality portraits, product photography, and even video work, allowing you to control shadows and highlights with precision, ensuring your subjects are always beautifully illuminated and your images possess a captivating depth and dimension that truly stands out. Number 5. Altura Photo 6x5 Universal Collapsible Softbox. Introducing the Altura Photo Softbox Flash Diffuser, designed to enhance your photography. It's compatible with most shoe-mount flash units from major brands. Say goodbye to harsh shadows and uneven lighting. This diffuser softens your light for a more professional look, featuring an internal diffuser for superior wraparound illumination. Its integrated hook and loop strap makes it incredibly easy to attach and detach. When not in use, it folds down flat for convenient storage. This one-size-fits-all solution works with a wide range of flash units, including Canon, Nikon, Sony, and Olympus models. It comes with a handy storage pouch, making it easy to take anywhere. Enjoy professional lighting on the go with this collapsible softbox. What we like. This is a fantastic option for on-the-go photographers. Its universal compatibility means it works with most flashes, and the collapsible design makes it incredibly portable. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to soften harsh light without a big setup, this is the one for you. What people say. The softbox provides excellent light diffusion, creating a soft and even light that is perfect for portraits and product photography. It's very easy to set up and take down, which is a huge plus for on-the-go photographers. The build quality is surprisingly good for the price, with sturdy materials that feel like they will last. Number 4. ULANZI VL81 Bicolor LED Video Light. Meet the ULANZI VL81, an upgraded LED video light designed for creators. It offers enhanced brightness and a wider beam angle compared to previous models. Easily switch between warm and cool lighting with its adjustable color temperature. This allows you to adapt the light perfectly to any shooting environment. Powered by a 3000 mAh battery, it provides up to 150 minutes of use at maximum brightness. A full charge takes only 3 hours via its convenient Type-C interface. Featuring 3 cold shoe mounts, you can connect multiple lights for even brighter illumination. It also allows for attaching accessories like microphones, making it ideal for vlogging. This light is incredibly compact and lightweight, measuring just 7.6 by 8.9 by 2.5 centimeters and weighing only 120 g. It's perfect for on-the-go photography and videography. It's designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of cameras and smartphones, including popular brands like Sony, Canon, and GoPro, as well as DJI stabilizers. What we like. For creators who need versatile lighting on the move, this is a game changer. The adjustable color temperature and built-in rechargeable battery offer incredible flexibility. If you're a vlogger, streamer, or mobile photographer who needs a compact, all-in-one lighting solution, you'll love this. What people say. The softbox is easy to set up and take down, making it convenient for on-the-go photographers. It provides a soft, diffused light that is perfect for portraits and product photography, reducing harsh shadows. The build quality is sturdy, and the materials used are durable, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. Number 3. RALENO PS40 Softbox Lighting Kit. Introducing the RALENO PS40, a professional lighting solution designed to elevate your photography and videography. This kit provides soft, consistent light perfect for any creative project. Equipped with high-output LED bulbs, it delivers bright, daylight-balanced light equivalent to much higher wattage incandescent bulbs. Enjoy long-lasting performance with low heat output, ideal for extended shooting sessions. The innovative umbrella design allows for quick and easy setup and takedown. Its adjustable, sturdy aluminum alloy stand ensures stability and portability, folding down compactly for storage and transport. Featuring a scientific soft light technology with a white diffuser and highly reflective interior, it minimizes harsh shadows and creates smooth, flattering light. Achieve studio quality results with every shot. Perfect for portraits, live streaming, product shots, and YouTube videos, this lighting kit adapts to various scenarios. The included tripod mount also allows for versatile accessory attachment. Everything you need is included: 2 softboxes, LED bulbs, adjustable light stands, and a convenient carrying tote. Get started creating professional content right away. What we like. This kit is designed for those who need professional quality lighting for studio work. The large softbox and powerful LED bulbs ensure beautiful, diffused light for portraits and product shots. If you're serious about portrait photography or product shoots and need a reliable, easy-to-set-up lighting system, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The softbox provides a very even and soft light, perfect for portraits. Easy to set up and take down, which is great for on-the-go photographers. The build quality is surprisingly good for the price, feels durable and well-made. Number 2. Skytex Softbox Lighting Kit 2-Pack. Introducing the Skytex Softbox Lighting Kit, your all-in-one solution for professional photography and videography. This kit provides everything you need to achieve stunning results. Equipped with updated LED bulbs, you can easily adjust the color temperature and brightness to match any scenario. The rotatable head and adjustable stand ensure you can position the light perfectly for every shot. Control your lighting with ease using the included remote. Adjust settings without interrupting your workflow, making your creative process smoother than ever. Designed for convenience, this kit comes with a durable Oxford cloth bag for easy transport. Its lightweight yet sturdy construction makes it ideal for on-the-go shoots. Whether you're shooting portraits, products, streaming, or videos, this lighting kit delivers natural, high-quality light. Elevate your content with consistent and beautiful illumination. This comprehensive package includes 2 softboxes, LED bulbs, light stands, remote controls, and a carrying bag, ensuring you have all the essential tools at your fingertips. What we like. If you value convenience and control, this kit is for you. The remote control allows you to easily adjust brightness and color temperature without moving. If you're setting up a home studio for portraits, product shots, or live streaming and want the ability to fine-tune your lighting from a distance, consider this dual pack. What people say. The softbox provides excellent light diffusion, creating a soft and even light that minimizes harsh shadows. It's easy to set up and take down, making it convenient for on-the-go photographers. The build quality is sturdy and durable, ensuring it can withstand frequent use. Number 1. HPUSN Softbox Photography Lighting Kit. Achieve beautifully even and balanced illumination with this lighting kit. Its design ensures your subjects are perfectly lit every time. Easily adjust to any angle with the rotatable head. The sturdy, adjustable stand provides a stable base for your lighting needs. Experience bright, daylight-like illumination with these energy-efficient LED bulbs. They provide consistent light while saving you money on energy costs. This lighting solution is perfect for a wide range of photography, from portraits to still life. Create stunning lighting effects effortlessly for any indoor shoot. We stand by our product with a lifetime warranty. If you have any questions or concerns, we're here to help you resolve them. What we like. This option is perfect for anyone needing consistent, high-quality lighting for studio applications. The large square softbox provides excellent diffusion, and the energy-efficient bulbs are great for long shoots. If you're focused on portraiture, fashion, or product photography in a studio setting and want a reliable setup with peace of mind, this kit with its warranty is a solid pick. What people say. The softbox is easy to set up and take down, making it convenient for on-the-go photographers. It provides a soft and even light distribution, which is crucial for professional-looking portraits. The build quality is sturdy, and the materials used are durable, ensuring longevity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.